Friend, today we are going to discuss some terminologies of the medical terminologies which are going to be very informative for you people. So we're going to discuss these terminologies. Arthritis. Arth is whenever this word come, it's mean some giants. Yeah, some are going to be discussed about giants. So it's when words is come, it's mean there is inflammation. So arthritis mean inflammation of joints. Bronchitis. So broncho words refer to bronchi. Tis mean inflammation. This is the inflammation of bronch. So carditis. Cardio mean refer to the word about heart. Tis mean inflammation of heart. Cervicitis, inflammation of the cervix. Colitis, inflammation of the colon. Colphitis, inflammation of the vagina. Cystitis, inflammation of the urinary tract. In enteritis, inflammation of the intestine. Gastritis, gastro means stomach, this means inflammation. Inflammation of abdomen, inflammation of stomach. Glossitis, inflammation of tongue. Hepatitis, with the word hepa mean liver, inflammation of liver. Laryngitis, inflammation of larynx. Metritis, inflammation of uterus. Myelitis, inflammation of vertebral column. Nephritis, refer to nephron. So kidney, inflammation of kidney. Pharyngitis, inflammation of pharynx. So today we are going to discuss these terminologies. From next video, subscribe us, follow us, share the video with your friend.